Hi, let's explore more methods of the dictionary. Now, if we know the key, it is possible to fetch a value with the help of get method. So here you have to pass key and it will return the value associated with this key. So 345 and this is the key value pair and this is the value it returns. Now, if key is not present, for example here 3451, then it will return none. Now, how to add a new key value pair in the dictionary? Inside this bracket, uh, we can add a new key, then a new value here. Let's add. Now I'll use this get function to get this value. Here you can see the. So this way we can add a new key value pair and this way we can get a value of a specific key. Now how to access individual key value pair? It is possible with the help of a loop and we will use a for loop here. For key value this method items return key value pair. So key will be stored in this variable k and value will be stored in this variable v and I can print it. Let's print key and just give the colon and value. So this way we can access individual key value pair with the help of a loop. Let's run this and try. Here you can see key value, all the items of this dictionary.